Have you ever taken a vitamin and wondered if anything was happening? Or had it give you an upset stomach? Do you feel like you're wasting your money buying nutritional supplements? You probably are. In order to unlock the power of supplements, your body has to be able to absorb them. But a lot of vitamins don't absorb at all, and they just go right through you. That's why you get the upset stomach. There's something called a liposome, which can help your body absorb the nutrition from supplements. It acts like a little bubble that surrounds vitamins and minerals so that it supports uptake into your bloodstream. Liposomes are made out of the same thing as the walls of your body's cells. It's called phosphatidylcholine. It is completely natural. We get ours from sunflowers.